Hello, children. Welcome back. This is Maushmi Chakravarti, and today I would like to discuss on the practical question of chapter Bills of Exchange. First of all, let us understand what is bills of exchange. We can say a bill of exchange is an instrument in written or an unconditional order signed by the maker directing to pay a certain sum of money only to or to the order of a certain person or to the bearer of the instrument. It is basically written. It must contain an order. It is unconditional. The amount of the bills of exchange must be definite. The date of payment must be fixed. It should be duly signed by the maker and signed by the acceptor, that is the drawee. The amount of the bill is payable either on demand or on the expiry of a fixed period of time. Let us move on to the questions. So, first of all, we'll discuss about case 1, that is when the bill is retained by the drawer in his own possession tied till the date of maturity. So, on January 2019, X sold goods to Y for rupees 50,000. On the same date, X draws a bill on Y for rupees 50,000 due after 3 months. Y accepted the bill and returned it to X. X retained the bill till due date and Y meets the bill on the due date. Pass journal entries to prepare the following transactions. So here I have tried to plot out both the drawer's account and drawee's account together. So in the books of drawer, that is X, the first journal entry, that is January 1, Y's account debit to sales account being sold goods to Y on credit 50,000. In the books of drawee, that is Y, just simultaneously reverse entry will be passed, that is purchases account debit to X account being goods purchased from X on credit 50,000. Moving on to January 1, again bills receivable account debit to Y's account being bill received from Y, that is in the books of X, and in the drawee's book we will write down X account debit to bills payable being the acceptance given to X 50,000. In the books of drawer, the last entry will be April 4 because the bill is to be paid after 3 months. So 3 months, that starts from January to February, March, April plus 3 days of grace. Therefore, April 4. Bank account debit to bills receivable account being the amount of the bill received on due date 50,000. And same in the books of drawee, bills payable account debit to bank account, that is being the bill the amount of the bill paid on the due date rupees 50,000. Moving on to the next question, that is on January 1, 2019, Arun sold goods for rupees 30,000 to Sunil. 50% of the payment was made immediately, on which Arun allowed a discount of rupees 2%. Sunil drew a promissory note in favor of Arun payable after 20 days. Similarly, that is Arun payable 20 days. The date of maturity of the bill was a public holiday. Arun presented the bill on as per the provisions of the Negotiable Instrument Act, which was made by Sunil. We need to pass on the journal entries. So here again, this is case number 1 where 50% payment was made immediately to avail a cash discount. In the books of Arun, that is drawer, and in the books of Sunil, that is drawing. The first journal entry 2019 January 1, that is Sunil account debit to sales being sold goods to Arun. It will be Arun, by mistake Y written, 30,000. Same way purchases account debit to Arun account being goods purchased from Arun 30,000. January 1, again in the books of drawer, that is bank account debit discount allowed account debit to Sunil. 50% of the payment, that is 30,000, 50% is 15,000 and 2% cash discount goes down to be 300. So bank account 14,700, discount allowed 300 and Sunil account 15,000. Similarly, in the books of drawee, Arun account debit to bank account to discount received 15,000 for Arun account and bank 14,700. Discount received will be 300 rupees being 50% of the amount paid to Arun to get a cash discount. Moving on to January 1, again in the books of drawer, bills receivable account debit to Sunil account, that is being received a promissory note for the balance amount 15,000. Same in the books of drawing, it will be the reverse entry, that is Arun account debit to bills payable account being send a promissory note to Arun 15,000. January 23 in the books of the drawer, bank account debit to bills receivable account being the amount received on the due date 15,000. January 23 bills payable account debit to bank account being the payment made against the promissory note 15,000. Moving on to the next question, that is case number 2, when the bill is discounted from the bank. So X sold goods to Y for rupees 10,000 on 15th March 2019. On the same day, Y accepted a bill drawn upon him by X at 4 months for rupees 10,000. X discounted the bill on 15th April 2019 at 18% per annum at his bank, and Y met the bill on maturity. We need to make the journal entries in the books of both the parties. So in the books of X, that is the drawer, and in the books of Y, that is the drawee, we will pass on the journal entry. First journal entry 2019 March 15, that is Y's account debit to sales being sold goods to Y on credit 10,000. Similarly, just reverse entry purchases account debit to X account being goods purchased from X on credit 10,000, that is in the books of the drawee. March 15, bills receivable account debit to Y's account, that is being acceptance received. March 15 in the books of drawee, that is X account debit to bills payable account being acceptance given 10,000. Last entry, that is April 15, bank account debit discounting charges account debit to bills receivable account being bill discounted. So 10,000 was the amount of the bill, 18% but for 3 months. So 450. So bank account 9,550. 450 discounting charges and bills receivable 10,000. Simultaneous bills payable account debit to bank account 10,000 being the amount of the bill paid on the due date. Moving on to the next case, case number 3, endorsement of the bill. In this, it is written that Y owed rupees 26,000 to X on 5th March 2019. He accepted a bill for rupees 25,000 for 1 month drawn by him in full settlement of his debt. X allowed rupees 1,000 as discount. X endorsed the bill to his creditor Z immediately. The bill was duly met on the due date. We need to pass on the journal entries in the books of 3 parties. So let us start with the books of the drawer and the drawee. In the books of drawer, the first entry March 5, bills receivable account debit 25,000, discount allowed 1,000 to Y's account, 26,000 being bills received and discount allowed. March 5, Z account debit to bills receivable account, bill endorsed to Z 25,000. 2019 March 5 in the books of drawee, X account debit to bills payable account to discount received account 26,000, 25,000 and 1,000. April 8, bills payable account debit to bank account, that is the bill met on due date 25,000. Due to some technical errors, the book of endorsee is not given, but I'll explain it in the books of Z when we prepare. The first, that is endorsee, the first entry will be bills receivable account debit to X account, that is bill received from X, and April 8, bank account debit to bills receivable account, the amount of the bill received 25,000. The other cases shall be continued in my next video. Stay tuned, keep watching in my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.